What's good with y'all? Well, we back on Meech today. We back on Meech, man. Episode 2. Getting it prepared before we drop the motor and stuff in and all of that. So, y'all saw, if you've been keeping up, you know, you saw my air compressor video. You know, I got the tire pumped up. This tire over here don't hold no air. So what I'm about to do is hook the I'm about to hook the toe strap up to it and pull Meech out. Pull it out some right here, get out that dirt. I mean, cause I need to clean the driveway up and stuff right there anyway. So I'm about to pull Meech out. We got a new gas tank going in. Cause y'all know my policy now. New gas tank on everything you build. Trust me, it's worth it, man. It's worth the money. You ain't want to put a sump in that thing or whatever, depending on how much power you're gonna be making, all that. Go ahead and put your sump in it while the tank out. It ain't that expensive. So, but Meech, in the end, Meech's gonna get a fuel cell, 15 gallon in the trunk. But for now, we putting a new tank in. I already got the tank, sending unit and all that. So y'all know I'm finna zip this thing out quick. We about to get the truck hooked up. Old F-150 over there. They don't never get no love. Old L-150 finna go to work. And we're gonna pull this thing forward and get that tank in there. So let's get it. Alright, so I got Meech all set up. Like I said, I'm just finna pull it forward and cut the wheel. Well, it might be alright right there. Just gonna pull it forward, get it on the pavement. I better move this first. Meech jump that boy, it's gonna get real. So yeah. Pull this thing forward, then I'm gonna cover this bad boy up after I'm done. So let's get it. Hey, y'all know what? I just thought about it. No, I'm not about to pull this bad boy forward. Shoot, how I'm gonna start this thing, man? Oh no. I'm so lame. I could put something right there, but I'm scared Meech might jump the tire and then that thing, you know, boy, you got an accident. L-150 all bent up. Then Meech bumper probably won't get no harm. So man, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna wait till wifey come back. She should be back soon. Then let her pull the truck for her car. I know she definitely ain't gonna want to sit in there. I don't even want to sit in there. And I'm gonna vacuum this thing while I got it out too. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wait till wifey get back. Then I'm gonna pull the thing forward. Then I'm gonna zip the tank out. But right now, let me see. I think I might need to pump this tire up over here. I do. Need to pump this tire up over here. Yep, that's slick. So I'm gonna plug the air compressor up and get that pumped up. Let's do that. Alright, so we got big Meech pulled out, y'all. The tire right here, this is slick over here. That's why I keep going flat. Well, it's bad anyway. It keep going flat instantly. So I'm about to, while I got this car out, I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna take that rim off, and I got this one right here. This one's on good, so I'm about to put this on there. Cause this one hold air, and I got another one need a tire over there. So I'm gonna change that tire out while I got it up in the air. Finna go ahead and set it on the jack stand so we can zip the tank out, blow it off. Man, I'm finna clean it out cause it's all type of stuff in the inside of Meech. So we about to get on it. So let's get it. Okay, y'all, so y'all see I got everything set up. I got my creeper. This thing about to go to work. I already tried it out, man. It's a whole lot better. It's gonna make this job a whole lot faster. That's why I said it's important having the right tools you need. It make everything run smooth. We got a little tool tray right there. I'm finna get my impact on there. All I gotta do is take a ground strap off. Oh, I need some pliers. I gotta get my pliers. ground strap off. Got my small ratchet to take the ground off. I meant pliers. That's all I need. I got a big screwdriver on there called them spiders, and that's it. So we're gonna drop this thing pretty quick, y'all. So let's get it. We're ready to drop this thing. I don't get no gas in here, so I'm pretty much finna bent press this tank, cause I don't need no jack. Thing kinda low, so y'all might get the show. Y'all just might get the show. I'm telling y'all, man, get you an impact too. Get you an impact. When I say, boy, impact save lives, I ain't playing. Best tool ever. I would cut these lines, man. I ain't gonna cut them though. Alright, so I got the old gas tank out. So I cut the little lines, cause I got plenty of fuel line. They're gonna have to be took off anyway. But cause y'all know we gotta change the fuel pump. I got a new fuel pump and all that. But anyway, I got the tank out. This new, and I even noticed something different. This tank is different from the one I put in Dolo. They for the same model car, but it made different. This right here, it ain't got the edges. You ain't got to fold up, cause normally you have to fold these things up. Like in that car right there, I had to fold them up. They only have to bother with that with this. So I like this one better. But you know, this new tank, I'm about to get the sending unit set up. I got a new sending unit. I'm about to get it set up and all that. And like I showed y'all in Dolo, you know, you got your ground strap, and then you got your wire. They plug up to your sender unit, you know, they register to your fuel hand and all that. So I'm finna get all this set up, and then we're gonna pop that thing back in, man. It's gonna be a quick little process. So let's go. So we got everything prepped. Explain y'all what I did. Got a 5/16 return. Then you got a 3/8 fuel line. So you got everything ready. You just push it up to that. You ain't got to go past that. How it come from the factory. Push it up to the little raised indentation right there, and then where the raised portion I meant, and that's it. So I'm gonna let this. I am gonna hook this up on that old Holly fuel pump, cause I don't want no open line. And I'm gonna slide that on there. So I'm gonna slide them on so it won't be no open line, won't nothing crawl in the tank or none of that, which it shouldn't, cause we about to in that short period of time, but I ain't gonna take the chance. Do not leave no open fuel line if you can help it. Dirt dobblers, all that stuff, get in there. So I'm about to I only need no jack, ain't no gas in it. I'm finna just bent press it up there and just make it do what it do, man. Like I said, that's how we get down in the country, man. We don't need no jacks and all that other stuff. And y'all know I hit the gym, so I'm finna get to it. Let's go. Alright, so I got everything in. It just plug and play now pretty much. You see that? That's your unit right there. It just plug, pop back in right there. Then you take this, pull it, and then it just plug in right there. I don't know if I'm able to get it while I'm recording. We'll do it like this. We'll make it work. That just plug in. Let me get like so. And we still having a problem. We need to flip it. There we go. So we got that plugged in. Said I couldn't get it holding the camera too, so I couldn't do it. Had to cut the camera off. But then this is what I was telling y'all about. That bad boy close. Hold on, let me lighten it up first of all. So this is the difference. And I gotta run a ground on Dolo. I ain't even hooked it up, but this ground right here goes, y'all see the strap? And I left the boat. I always put my boats back where I got it. So the grounds will go right there. So they probably will. I was waiting on Dolo to see where this one was ground at from the factory. So that one I'm gonna put it for Dolo. So that way it go. You hook that up. Y'all see how look at my fuel pump set up, man. This how the junk set up. That Holly Blue still sitting up there, but I had a fuel filter to filter the gas coming out the tank. Cause like I said, the tank was bad, and then the gas was tearing up the fuel pump. Like it was tearing them up real fast. So that's why I had this set up like this, and I'm still gonna set it up like this just to be on the safe side, even though I know the gas tank new. But I'm gonna change all that. For the time being, I'm not gonna set it up like this. Cause I'm finna scrap all this. I'm gonna take that out, see if it work. But yeah, new fuel pump. I got that. We're gonna put that a little small Holly on here, cause it don't need all that. But new lines. Like I said, I got the return lines just routed up there, cause we literally about to put this. What Rick about to put the motor in at the time y'all watching this, so it ain't gonna be open long. But I slid that up there just for now. But that's how the old fuel system used to be. But I'm about to pop this on 7mm bolt, and then let the car down. They're gonna be it. So I catch y'all on that clip. Alright, so I got the gas tank in, everything hooked up, ready to go. Quick little job. Thanks to the Impact. I'm telling y'all, boy, that Impact, best thing I ever bought. Go get you one, man. You ain't gotta get the exact same one, cause that thing expensive, but go get you an Impact, I'm telling you. But got that in, and while I got it out, I'm probably gonna go ahead and wash it off and clean it, and just wash it, man. I'm probably gonna just wash it, cause I got a car cover now, as y'all probably seen already. And like I said, I'm gonna wash it off and cover it up. Finna vacuum the inside of it real good and all that, and just get it ready, man. So about to do that, clean old Meech up, see how clean it come. Say y'all know, took the towel, got that tire, cause they slick, they're going flat. If anybody want them things, I said I need a windshield in here too. But if anybody want these rims, man, y'all can have them. I don't want them. Y'all can get them out the way. Y'all can have them. But yep, that's it. Like I said, I'm finna wash this thing off, man. That's the end of the video. Ain't no need in me showing y'all me washing and all that. That ain't nothing special. But like I said, I'm about to clean it all up, and that's it. And one thing I am know that I'm probably gonna paint this car, man. It probably not a temporary paint job, cause it just chipping in too many places. It chipping, Meech chipping in too many places, man. I would like to go ahead and get it painted, cause I'm gonna keep it the same color, cause it wouldn't be Meech if I didn't go back with the same color. It's a pearl on this car. It's a gold base coat with a green pearl. It's a pearlescent paint. So I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. You can't tell about me. But yeah, that's it. That's the end of the video, man. Hope y'all enjoyed it.